Senors and senoritas, welcome back. How's everyone doing? I have to adjust my microphone. It's all in weird places. Hi everybody. Hello, hello, hello. Hope you're all having a nice night. What's going on? Happy Thursday. Thursday. Guess why? Because tomorrow's Friday. Hype, 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 hype. So exciting. Everyone's freaking out. How's it going? Gasp. Who liked my YouTube stream? I'm blushing. L stream, where is he? I'm here now. We were going through an ad. I know it's go. Hello, hello. Yeah, I hope you guys all had a great day. I had a very interesting day at work today. Ooh, so fun. Actually today was kind of action-packed, let me tell you. I got to run around at work to all the airplanes and put little bags in them, so that way when people's phones and laptops explode, they don't light the entire plane on fire. That was my job today. It's National Sea Monkey Day. That's more important. That is a very good reason to be happy today. It's National Sea Monkey Day. But yeah, I got to do that, and then I came home, and then went on a couple meetings for my club, and that's why I had to push this stream back today, because I forgot about that. This is week 2 of our weekly meetings over the summer, so I had forgotten that, and I had to push stream back a half hour so I could attend my meeting. But it was good. We did some fun budgeting. Everyone loves budgeting. Yeah, I also, what is it? Yesterday was Mama Newt's birthday. We celebrated. Happy birthday, Mama Newt. Peace. She's the reason we're all here. Literally. A little weird to think about that, but yeah, if you trace it back, it's how the math works. Got to work a little bit more on Rock Puncher. I'll show you guys the progress I've been making. Because that's the whole point of today's stream. We're going to be doing a Rock Puncher game development stream. Now, I don't know what my exact goal is for today. I think I have 2 goals. And if we can get those done, then maybe a 3rd. Or maybe a 4th. I think I have a couple. I definitely want to finish up. I'm working on the... it was originally supposed to be a glow. I don't know if I can get a glow working, but I can definitely get a... an outline system working, and that's what I've been working with. Now, I might be able to see if I can finagle around with the outline system and maybe make it emissive. I want to see if I can maybe put a blur on it to make it look more glowy than just a thick, fat outline. But that's something that we'll have to look into once we get into stream today. That's going to be priority number 1, getting outlines to work properly. After that, if we can get outlines to work properly, then we pretty much have the basis for the 3rd system in the game. The first is rock color, the second is outline, and the 3rd is particles. Because if we can get all 3 of those in, we're kind of winning. I think that's how it's going to go. If we can get particles and outlines and color as kind of all the mechanics I want in the game, it kind of adds, like, you know, an interesting flair to things. And then we can start focusing on details. Like, I want an actual map for the game. A map would be nice. I want some sound design. Oh, one thing I need to really polish up is I want to make it so you can't spam click. Right now, for testing purposes, I have it so you can spam click and that the animation doesn't line up. Oh, I also have to fix the arms. The arms look nasty as fuck. But that's all things to do during, I don't know, once we wrap up the main core of the game, which is punching rocks and getting colorful, you know? That's the main gameplay loop. And eventually, I mean, I guess I could call it, you know, pretty important. I do want to add Steam stuff. I want to add a leaderboard. Yeah, I want to add leaderboards. I want to see how you do that, and maybe Steam achievements. But I'm not sure exactly how you do that. So we'll see. Maybe I'll have to make like a script that does like all that kind of stuff. Or maybe I'll have to install some plugins. But like, how do you do an online leaderboard? The game that comes to mind first, so I'm thinking of like shitty Steam games that have online leaderboards. There's this one game I have. What's it called? I can't even remember. But me and my friend used to play it all the time, jokingly, because it was just like, you know, this really shitty Steam game. Let me see if I can pull it up. It was called... I'm going to scroll through my library and it's going to pop up and I'm going to see it. I'm going to be like, oh, that's it. City Zoomer. City Zoomer is a bee hopping simulator, which pretty much has all the mechanics that I want to implement. AKA has 7 achievements and a public, like 2 public leaderboards. That is literally all I want in my game. When it comes to like online capabilities. So we'll have to see if that's a possibility of doing. Now, today's stream will be basically sponsored or completely run by my basic knowledge of pattern recognition, YouTube, and ChatGPT. That is how we'll be making this video game. I will Google search. If the Google search gives nothing, I will pretty much go to ChatGPT. And everything else I'm going to try and figure out myself. But then again, I really only know how to run like an if statement in Unity, and that is the max of my knowledge. So we'll see how it goes. But yeah, I think it should be pretty fun. We'll try our best. We'll try our darndest. Yeah, we'll just see what's up. I did a little setup. Hi Loon, wahoo, wahoo. I did a little setup before stream. Let me show you guys my little setup. I found out, I don't know if you guys knew this, but first of all, we're going to be using complete desktop capture today. So, as you can see here, oh, that's me. That's, okay, we're going to see that soon. But look at this. This is my desktop here. This is my desktop. I found out you can make your desktop entirely black by going to View, and then there's a Hide Desktop Icons button. So now I can like pull stuff up on here and like not get completely doxed by all my stuff. And I just made my background black because it's really easy to see and it's not very disturbing and, you know, difficult to look at. Because my usual profile picture, let me see if I can pull this up. Also, you can see my search bar and like what I look up. Steam, mix it up. This is me doing like math today. Oh, here's BlueStacks because I was playing the mobile. Loon tweeted about a mobile game she was playing. I stayed up till like 3 AM playing it on BlueStacks. Peggle, because I was playing Peggle. But let's see if I can pull up my normal background, which I feel like has come up every once in a while. If I go to my slideshow. Yeah, there we go. This is what my background normally looks like. Very pretty. Don't get me wrong. I like it a lot. But when I'm pulling things up and there's supposed to be like, you know, windows and things for you guys to look at and view, it gets a little busy. It gets a little busy. So we're just going to keep it black for today. Solid color. Oh, this is a color you guys prefer. Do you want like a gray? Do you prefer a gray? Or like, I don't know, like a lavender? Oh, sorry, purple shadow. Iris pastel. What is this? Gray dark. Metal blue. These are some shitty fucking names. Who over at Microsoft named all of these? Let's see what this is. Gold. That is the furthest fucking thing from gold I've ever seen in my entire life. That is clearly an orange. Red. Brick red. All right, that's fine. Rose. Okay. Plum. Orchid. I get it. Violet red. Just call it violet, bud. Why violet red? I feel like lavender is nice. Do we want to go with that? Well, they don't have lavender. They have purple shadow dark and purple shadow. I feel like purple shadow is the closest we'll get to a lavender color. It's pretty. Ooh. Just and seeing that completely blast my face kind of hurt my eyes though. It's a bit, we might need to go to purple shadow dark. Hold on. Let's see how that, you know what it is? It's the blue light. 100% it's the blue light. We're just blasting our eyes with blue light right now. Absolutely destroying our retinas. Apparently they say that that stuff is bad for you. The blue light. Maybe the red light's better. Maybe we do brick red. Oh, that's gonna be so disgusting. Hold on. I can already see it. Ooh, all these blank colors are so brutal. They literally just, they slap you like a fucking, like a ton of bricks. You know what we're gonna do moss. I like moss. I think it's a nice color. It's not pure black. It's a little bright. It's kind of green. We can throw some stuff on there. Like here's a browser. Oh nope, that's gonna be my files. I don't want to show that. It's a myth. I think you think blue light is a myth. Okay, here's ChatGPT. We'll start a new conversation with this Unity bot that I've been using for today. Okay, let's start opening up Unity. Let's just fucking jump into it. No time better than the present. Oh, I just realized nothing. Never mind. I'm silly and stupid and dumb. I was like, oh, I'm not reading Twitch chat. I'm not reading YouTube chat. And I realized my YouTube chat gets fed into my normal feed. The government doesn't want me on my phone 24/7. Unity. Is it going to show all my dumb Unity projects when I open this up? Oh, you can see that I have it saved in just Epic Game. And all the random ones just named My Project. Next, you'll say the Earth isn't ovally shaped. Please, everybody, use the scientific word for the shape of the Earth. It is called an oblate spheroid. Which is real, by the way. The Earth literally is defined as an oblate spheroid. And that's because it's spinning, and it's wider at the equator than it is pole to pole. So beat that, liberals. I don't know. Anyway, Unity's gonna take 7 million years to boot up. And I'll show you guys what's going on as of right now in Rock Puncher. If you weren't here on Tuesday, right? I think it was Tuesday. No, Monday. On Monday. If you weren't here Monday, this is Rock Puncher. You also see some stuff has changed. This is the game. It's pretty much just a rock, and some other things. Let's just hop in. I'll give you guys a quick demo. Also, I should probably start it in full screen mode, but you know, let's do that. Let's start it full screen just so you guys can see it better. This is pretty much the whole game right here. You have two big ol' arms that punch, which we have to fix the arms. Because you can currently see through them if I punch. You click the rock, skadoosh, and it generates a color. As you can see, we actually got a 0 in blue, a 0 in green, and a 0.36 in red, giving our rock a color of, a rarity of 36. There is no outline. See, this is one of the big errors we have to fix today. For some reason, every single time I click the rock for the first time, it automatically gets an outline, which we do not want. If it generates a 0, 0, 0, we usually want it to have no outline. Boo, YouTube chat. But yeah, you can see that the rarity slowly cycles through. There's a 69 rarity, nice. And I think I have the outline rarity set to, there we go. I have the outline rarity set to, I think 1 in 10. But as you can see, the outline right now is supposed to be a 0.3, a 7, and a 1.4. But if we open up Unity, wherever that may be. Oh, I guess I have to go over here or something. I can go under like, ugh. How do I zoom out? I can't remember where the fucking thing is. How do I zoom out of this? Basically, oh my god, I'm stupid and dumb. I forget how to get out of here. Whatever. Basically, the color doesn't update. Let's play it focused, and I'll just do it like this, and I'll show you guys. It's easier for me to button around and pick out all these numbers and stuff. Okay, so see, we start like this. It's 0, 0, 0. We don't want an outline on it, which is bad. Okay, we've generated an outline with a color, but if we go into the rock over here and we look at its shader for the outline, you can actually see that it does have a color. Okay, cool. It might just be too dark to see. Yeah, I'm getting up really close to it. I don't know if you guys can see it as well. Let me do the zoom. Let me zoom in. You can see it has that like olive color, which is good. But if we punch it again, okay, it seems to actually be holding its color, which is really good. And okay, color changed. That's good. I'm keeping it zoomed in right now just because. So basically, I think I managed to iron out the outline system pretty well. The only flaw with it is that it just starts with a color. It starts with the color of 0 and it's visible, which I don't like. So here's my thought process. I think we feed this to ChatGPT because I've been dealing with this for basically a day now, this error. So I think we feed it to the GPT. I'll show you guys my method of how I talk to the robots to make code. First, what we do is we go Control A, Control C. Oh wow, it's I didn't even read this. I fed this to ChatGPT, and I changed up the, hold on, where is it? Yeah, it's here. Here's the thing that says if there's a 1 in 10 chance that oh wait, no, it's just this 1 in 10 chance that the outline is created. And I had it just set from 1 to 11, which is 1 out of 10, right? But it used to be 1 out of 100. And I never changed the comment on it. And it's trolling me in its fixing comments by saying there's a 10% chance, not 1 as commented. I'm like, sorry, I was too lazy to go back there and delete a 0 purely in a comment just for, you know, simplicity's sake. Because I knew it was 1 out of 10. Anyway, that's ChatGPT flaming me. Let's do a little split view. Let's do split view between me and GPT. So I'm going to say this is my current code. This is my current code. And we just kind of throw the whole thing in. As of right now. Yeah, as of right now. The object displays an outline at all times. Fix the code so that the outline is only shown after the color is generated or something like that. A color for the outline is generated. Now, see, what's going to happen is it's going to do a lot of yapping. The outline is displayed. Modify the on mouse down method to enable the outline only when a color for the outline is generated. Here's the updated version of your code. Let's see what it changes. We're gonna do a quick compare and see if it's working the way I want. So it changed nothing in here, which is good, and the void start is pretty strong as well. But on mouse down, it really wants to change this rounding of the colors. I have no clue why. I really don't like what it's trying to do here. I really enjoy what it's doing here because it's just, this is how many decimal points. I don't know what this, 100 divided by 100 is. Okay. So what it's saying is if outline generated. No, it's doing this wrong. It's doing this wrong. Let's try and rewrite what I said to it. Yeah, as of right now, what is it? There is a one, I don't know why it doesn't want to show me the code. Well, what I'm writing, there's a 1 in 10 chance that, let's see, I can't see what I'm typing. There's a 1 in 10 chance that an outline, there's a 1 in 10 chance that an outline will generate, but as of right now, there's a 1 in 10 chance that an outline will generate, but as of right now, the outline is always being shown after the first click. Make it so that the outline is only visible after the 1 in 10 chance is rolled. Oh, I should say is successful. Make it so the outline is only visible after 1 in 10 chance is successful. Send. Let's see if that fixes the code for us. Because it was basically changing it to say like, oh, did an outline generate? Which is really stupid. It technically is what I said, but it's not what I wanted. Outline enabled false. See, the problem is it starts out outline enabled false, which is smart, but then says void on mouse down. It's removing the check outline state. Initializes the color to black, and then this is the 1 in 10 chance for the outline. If it enables that, all right, so 1 in 10 chance, outline enabled true, outline color. See, the problem is with this system that it's doing is that it turns on the outline even if the highest rarity, okay, we have to specify that for it. Total rarity. If you could say the meanest thing you could say, what would you say? I think the question to who? I don't think I harbor much negativity towards anyone, really. I don't think that's my goal out here. But hi, Mr. Pixel Nugget on YouTube. How are you doing? I don't know. I could be angry at ChatGPT. It's a computer. And you know, it's fun to get angry at the air, man. I don't know. I wish I could say it's stupid. I wish I could say, but the problem is it's not. I feel like I'm the stupid one who can't explain what I want, right? Because see, thing is, all right, there's a 1 in 10 chance that the outline will generate. But as of right now, the outline is being shown after the first click. Make yourself with the outline. Who from where? Make so the outline is only visible after the 1 in 10 chance is successful. And we have to specify and only if the new rarity is higher than the previous highest rarity. All right, so that's how I think I'm going to do it. I'm going to say there's a 1 in 10 chance that an outline will generate, but as of right now, the outline is being shown after the first click. Make it so the outline is only visible after the 1 in 10 chance is successful and only if the new rarity is higher than the previous rarity. That's exactly what I want. We're slowly working that way. So let's see how it tries to fix this. And we'll read it out. We'll see if it makes sense. Because the thing is, I can read code. I'm half code literate. I can read code and kind of figure out what's going on, but writing it myself does not click for some reason. Right? So again, all of this is the same. It's not going to touch any of this because it's pretty default. I mean, other than randomly removing systems that I'm using, or at least important stuff, like a Text Mesh Pro and system globalization, which I believe is important. Is system globalization important? I think it is. Anyway, render rend, the start is all the same. I asked the same question to a different VTuber. They look like Joe Rogan with hair. And that's, what is that supposed to be mean? The meanest thing they could think of? They were being nice. No, I'm kidding. I feel like that's even meaner to say. I feel like it's mean to say that they were being nice for calling you Joe Rogan with hair. I'm bald, so it made my feelings go straight down. I feel like I inadvertently did something mean there. Hold on, let's see what the new solution is. On mouse down, generate a new color. New color, and it says initialize with default color. Bool. Outline generated equals unity random range if outline generated that. Total rarity if total rarity is greater than the highest rarity, then it will apply the new rarity, apply the new color. Let's see. Yeah, apply the new rarity, apply the color, and all the text. Let's give this a spin. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna Control A this. We're gonna copy it. Can you do an impression of Kermit the Frog? Oh, that's actually a great question. I feel like so many people think they can do an impression of Kermit the Frog. Well, let me get Notepad out. I feel like so many people can do it. Will think they can do an impression of Kermit the Frog, but I feel like they don't know. Also, here's my Notepad. This is where I save all my stuff. An untitled Notepad that I leave off to the side. So if ChatGPT makes a shitty ass code, we can just revert. I've had to do before. Okay, save that. Let me see if I can do a Kermit. That's actually a great question. What are the words to the Rainbow Connection? Hold on. Someday. No, I can't do it. That sounds like fucking Squidward. SpongeBob. Like it's throaty. Hold on. No, I can't. What? Hey, Kermit the Frog here. No, that's like closer. Kermit the Frog here. PETA. We're just doing Lois Griffin impressions now. PETA, the horses here. Order up, Mr. Krabs. What the Sigma? So that's my greatest Squidward impression I can do. Okay, let's try and update the code. Let's see if there's any compiler errors. The horses here. Because sometimes ChatGPT just doesn't know what it's doing and it will fuck up. But it seems like today it's doing fine. The horses here. Let's see if this does it. Let's see if... Oh, that's another thing we have to fix. As of right now, if you guys take a quick look at this sidebar here, where it says sample scene and all the items in it, it's a little covered by chat. But you'll see what the problem is. As I click on the ground, this little rock particle will spawn, right? Cute, right? Cute rock particle to show that I'm punching the ground or the rock or whatever, right? But slowly what's happening is it's creating this particle system every single time I punch. So we're gonna have to go back into the particle code and rewrite it. Mom, I'm playing the Rock in a White Square game. Go away. Yeah, this is my great game. It's called Rock Puncher. because all you do is you punch the rock. Okay, good start. Hold on. Good start. Rarity 49. 80. Holy shit, we got an outline. So here's the moment of truth. We have the outline. It is green. If I back up enough and I zoom, you can see there's a green outline on the rock. If we click again and the outline disappears, I'll cry. Okay, that was good. Oh, hold the phone. That's bad. The code was good for a second, but the problem is it generated a new outline color and the outline disappeared. Okay, let's try that one more time. We'll run it once more. See. Okay, that's a really shit rarity. I think that's probably the lowest I've ever gotten on the start. Ooh, okay, slightly higher. Yeah, I made the rarity for the outline super low just for testing, but in the future, I do want it to be a 1 in 100 chance. And that's going to compound as well with the particle system in the future, which is going to be absolutely bonkers. Also, the fact that we haven't gotten an outline is kind of crazy right now. But this is almost a perfect rarity base level rock. 550. Okay, we got an outline. And did it generate? I don't even know if I can see it. It looks like it did, but it's also, I feel like, a lot of red and blue, so I can't really tell. No. Battle Royale. Oh yeah, by the way, those are all commands that are going to my Twitch chat, but they're just being mirrored into the YouTube chat. Okay, there is an actual outline, but I don't think that's good. Let's restart one more time, see if we can diagnose the real issue. But yeah, if you see the little dudes walking around at the bottom of the screen, they're gonna fight now. And that's only really for Twitch viewers, because I don't think I can set that up on YouTube, unfortunately. Holy shit, outline on the first click. Okay, yeah, but like immediately it goes away. Even though another outline probably got generated. Okay. It's only rendering every other. Read the comment before that. Oh, I had it covered by my notepad. Oops. I'm gonna commit great crime. I bust nut in the water tower. What water tower? Where and how far away can I get away from it? Okay, I don't think we're really gonna beat a score of 8,000 right now. Oh shit, we did. Let's see if we can ask ChatGPT if it can fix this. That's a great question. Oh shit. 5 minutes to an ad. Nut in the water supply, says Waylon. Sweet Carol. How do we both do the same thing? What, nutting in the water tower? How did we both nut in water supplies? I mean, I was gonna say something. I don't know. Depends on how far you stretch it. I mean, technically, you know, anyone can nut in the water supply. It just depends on, you know, what end of the water supply you want to be on. If you want to go in the water tower and be at the start, that's fine. If you want to do it in the toilet, that's at the end. Great minds think alike. Look at this little cross collaboration here. Key changes. Disables the outline when the 1 in 10 chance is not successful. I want the outline to stay enabled when a new highest rarity is achieved. How about nutting in the Hoover Dam? Mario is gonna be pissed. I don't know why that made me think. Have you ever seen the video, the Mario, it's like time to take a piss video where it's all drawn in like MS Paint? Can I pull that up? I mean, I have YouTube right here. Hold on. Time to take a piss, Mario. Yeah, here. He's never seen this.
Time to take a piss.
Oh, this is the edited one where they made it this. Yeah. I forgot about that part.
What the hell?
Such a great video. Boink. Thanks for the sub. I really want to set up a system. Fucking Goomba. I wanted to set up a system where it gives me like a notification sound when someone subs, but apparently I can't set that up on YouTube because YouTube's all secret with their subscriber count. It's stupid. But yeah, thank you for that. Yeah, I'll have to, I don't know. Is there a way to check that on my live stream viewer? No, there isn't. They're just really cringe about it. They're really, really cringe. Next Smash game is going to be crazy. I thought they weren't making another one. I thought they're not making another Smash game. I thought that Ultimate was the last one. Or at least, it's probably going to be Sakurai's last Smash game. I don't think he wants to make any more after Ultimate. I think he's tired. I think he's done. I think he expressed his, what is it? His dissatisfaction. What is it? In Brawl? When he made like Crazy Hand or something? Meow. But it would be cool to have another Smash game. Every single time a Smash game comes out, the video was the new trailer. Well, no, that was the that was Ultimate's trailer, right? For what is it? The Mario Time to Take a Piss. I've been transported back to like, when was that? Oh my god, did it come out 2016? The Switch? 2017? Oh my god, I've been traveled back in time. Dude, wake up. Pandemic? VTubers, what are you talking about, bro? The Switch is coming out this week. We're gonna play Breath of the Wild. I was just talking to someone the other day about Breath of the Wild and how like it was just such an awesome game. I loved Tears of the Kingdom. That game too. Oh, awesome. Every time a Smash game comes out, me and Newt fight to the death. No, every time a Smash game comes out, I think that I'm going to be really good at it. And like, this is going to be my game where I finally learn how to play. I just never do it. Also, Twitch, we're going to hit an ad. Sorry, guys. Wah, wah. I know. If you want, you can become a YouTube refugee. Because there's not really any ads there. If there are, you can probably skip them. But I want the outline to stay enabled when the... Just stare into the camera and say the fog is coming repeatedly. Oh my god. It's crazy. That's like the rats thing where it's like, you know, it's like a rubber room with rats and rats make you crazy, right? Just the fog is coming. Well, let's see. I want to achieve an outline. That's my goal. Outline stay enabled when the new highest... No, I subbed. I want the outline to stay enabled when the new highest rarity is achieved. But the color... I want the outline to stay... Oh. The new highest rarity achieved, but only if... I got it. Only if the new highest rarity has an outline. If the new highest rarity oh hell nah. I sit through start to get 7 ads. Unacceptable. All right. If the new highest rarity does have an outline, just update the color. I think that gets across the point, right? I want the outline to stay enabled when the highest rarity, when a new highest rarity, but only, okay, it got it. It says got it. To ensure the outline remains enabled when a new highest rarity is achieved, but only if the new highest rarity includes an outline, you can update the code accordingly. Here's the revised script. Crazy, I was crazy once. They put me in a rubber room. I can't believe I forgot that. A rubber room with rats, and rats make me crazy. That also makes me think of the guy, the Hilo. Gili Beli, Pete's Rat, Gumai Kandai. Right, you ever seen that guy? Gili Beli, Pete's Rat, Gumai Kandai. Pete the Rat. It's awesome. I absolutely love it. Oh, let's put in the new code. Hold on. A V S. I think of Smitty when I think of crazy. I do think of Smitty when I think of crazy. Who's crazy enough to sit there and daily upload GTA throwing car down cliff content? Although honestly, I'm making a game about punching. Yes. Oh, wait. Pipi in caca. No. Oh, poo poo in pipi caca land. I remember that. Where is that from? Oh, there's errors. Expected in certain areas. Try doing a Mickey Mouse impression. Oh my god. I have to think about this for a second. I'm gonna write out these 3 lines of codes and formulate my Mickey impression in my brain right now. First one's at what, line 32? Line 32. Why does it want? Oh, line 82. I'm fucking dumb. How would I even? Oh, it didn't finish writing. That's why. I feel like if I did it, see, my voice is too low for a Mickey, but I could try. It would just come out feeling like crackhead Mickey. It didn't finish writing, so I have to copy the rest. Cool. I think I copied it while it was still writing. So let's go in here. Control A, Control V, Control S. It's like a ha-ha. Oh my god, my voice fucking cracked. Ha-ha. That's all you can do. It's like the, what is the, what's the other character that, like, I mean, that's kind of rude to call him a character. I was say, what's another character that, like, people only know, like, one line for them? But emo ass voice. It's like Obama with the, my fellow Americans, right? Like that. And like, that's like, oh, Michelle. And like, that's where it ends. Like, that is the extent of people's, like, their impressions or whatever for those characters. But like, you can't, I don't know if you can call Obama a character. Joe Biden? Joe Biden is just how I normally speak. Soda! Donald yapping. Oh, what the fuck? Why did it not copy again? Gah? Am I stupid or dumb? I think I'm just gonna have to select it all like this, like a plebeian. Except for the top, because I hate the top. I think it's really cringe. I think we're gonna go like that. And we can go like this, and... Oh, I don't like what it did. It did stupid things, and whatever. We'll keep it as is. We'll see what happens. Reloading. Backup. Again, we have the backup from a little while ago, so we'll see how this works now. And if it works, it works. No complaining. Okay, I also don't know why. Okay, cool. So we're punching, we're punching, we're punching, we're punching, we're punching. And then at some random point, we get an outline. Perfect. And this is a good one because it's a very visible color. If I punch again. Oh. No, the rarity is staying, well, the outline is staying the same, but the rock color is changing. That's not right. Can I run that one more time? You should make a Kahoot game and host a goofy ass one. It's actually not a bad idea. I was thinking my 3-year streaming anniversary. Wow, 3 years, everybody. Look at how much we've accomplished. We're making a rock bunching game. But my YouTube streaming debut 3-year anniversary is the 30th of this month, and I have not planned a single fucking thing. It's 2 weeks away. To the day. 2 weeks to the day. I haven't planned a single thing. I think if we could get to 150 on Twitch and 3 years on the same day, that'd be awesome. Because then I already have a plan for my 150, which I think we said we were going to do VR horror. I think we had discussed that previously. With YouTube and Twitch, and send the code to the Discord too. I think actually we have codes. Wait, do I have an exclamation point Twitch? Probably not. That would be kind of weird because I've always used this as yeah, let me actually make an exclamation point Twitch command. New command, name Twitch. It's gonna take me a second to make. Hold on. It's gonna go under socials. It's gonna be Twitch. It's gonna just send a chat message. It says twitch.tv/new. And you know, we'll even do the full link. https://www.twitch.tv. Perfect. That's a new command, everybody. So if you're on YouTube, you can use the exclamation point Twitch command. Oh, the Kahoot code? I don't think I can make the Kahoot now. That's the thing. Oh shit. All right, here we go. Testing time. I clicked it. We got an outline. It's 517448. And the rock color is changing underneath it, which I don't like. Let's try one more time for just testing purposes. Because I feel like I keep clicking it and I'm clicking too fast. Can't you save tabs? I guess I could. But I'm in the zone right now. I'm in the code zone. Hold on. Let's see. And plus, if I did make it, I'd want to make it a secret. I want to make it surprise. Surprise Kahoot. Okay, we've generated a really shitty outline. Yeah, the color is updating underneath it. But yeah, it's really dumb. Okay, cool. We've gotten something new. Can I just tell it? I don't think you understand. You, in fact, did not get it. I want the outline color to change. Well, to change the outline color to change, comma, but only when it is a part of the new highest rarity. I'm not even gonna ask why you have a vid called Bigger Boobs Better VTuber. What the fuck? Because statistics. If you watch the video, yeah, if you watch the video, I have a graph that's just my my viewer rate on Twitch, and you can see it go up when I have boobs and down when I don't. It's really an awesome phenomenon. The outline color is only updated if the new highest rarity includes an outline generated true. Outline enabling. The outline is enabled. Oh, great. I'm getting glazed. Hold on. By my club president for school. He's telling me how great my agendas are. I know. My agendas are great. Control S. Let's try this code. But yeah, statistics are wonderful. And that is living proof that we humans just love me some big ol' bazongas. Okay. Rarity of 51 that we just can't. Okay, cool. We've gotten an outline. Oh wait, did it change? I didn't look. Hold on. Restart. Although, I don't know. I've been thinking about things I want to put on the YouTubes. Because what is it? Why is it that all VTubers, even men, have female avatars? You know what's funny? Somebody posted about this recently on Twitter. They basically said, you know, VTubing is a female-dominated streaming. Like it's dominated by female streamers because the primary audience for VTubers is men, right? The primary audience for VTubers is men. Boobs equals money. I mean, yes, when you really think about, you boil it down to its essentials. The primary audience for VTubers is men, primarily looking for anime women, right? That's the main goal for most people. They just want to see anime women. They want to see them be cute. And the market for anime boys is not extremely high. Ooh, this is gonna be tough. Men like anime? Well, yes, men like anime and women like anime, but even women who like anime women. See? See that leap of logic there? Oh shit. Okay. 8,000. 64, 74, 1. Okay, it's still maintaining the same outline color. Which is really cringe. I don't like that. Stop. Start. Maybe I go into this and I see if I can edit the code myself and see where the problem is. If it's too deeply entrenched, maybe we go from square one. Okay, it generated a new outline color. .3. Okay, I was spam clicking. Let's actually look through this and see what the problem is. I have to like actually diagnose the issue here. Okay, no outline, rarity of 78, 89, 97, 108, 105. So it could just be a really simple change. I just haven't been reading the code at all. I've been just chat GPTing it the whole time. Okay, so we've generated an outline and a new color because I believe this was like in the 90s before. But now if we punch this again, 17, 10, 1. That's actually extremely rare to get a 1 in blue there. That's crazy. I don't think I've ever gotten a pure 1 before. See, the next highest rarity. Okay, it did change the outline color and the color rarity of the rock. But I feel like that might be an edge case. I don't want to rely on that too hard. Let's go back into this one more time. I like anime. Can I tell you guys something really embarrassing that my friend made fun of me for last night? Me and him have been watching Jujutsu Kaisen. And we made it through season 1 and we watched the movie and we watched the first couple episodes of season 2 where it's like the hidden inventory arc. But the thing is, I just personally am no longer interested. I just don't feel like watching anymore. I don't feel like watching it. I said, you can watch it on your own. Go ahead. He really wants to continue with the show. I'm like, you go ahead. I'm gonna tap out. But the thing is, when I told him after that, I'm like, you know what I want to pick up again? I was like, I want to pick up My Hero again. And he's like, you are a freak of nature. He's like, you are insane, and you will forever go down in history as the person who dropped, what is it? The person who dropped Jujutsu Kaisen from My Hero Academia. I'm like, I wouldn't call it that. I'm like, I took a like, how many year hiatus from My Hero because I thought it was so terrible. I honestly got so angry at My Hero that I was like, I can't watch it. I got to the season 5. The first few episodes of season 5, the first 12 are like an arc where it's class A versus class B. I'm like, I can't sit through 12 episodes of this. I'm getting bored, right? So I just dropped it. I said, I'm not watching anymore. And for years, I did not watch. But just the other day, I like start seeing clips online of like the new season and what they're touching on. I'm like, that's kind of interesting. I'm like, maybe I tough it out. And I did tough it out. Roughly. I picked up like halfway through the, the fight arc. And, now yeah, like I missed season 6. I missed season 7. I know there's like a movie in between. But like, all right, it's interesting. It's my slop. It's my slop and I appreciate it. I'm an average TikTok viewer. I need my slop from time to time. My Hero is my slop. And I enjoy it that way. But yeah, that's what I've been. Bro is never getting a girlfriend. I beg to differ. It's gonna happen someday. You just wait. Can an Isuku impression? I don't even remember that character. It's been so long since I've watched. Let's see. And also the problem is I watch it all in, Japanese, right? Oh, wow. That's the main character. I'm dumb. I feel like that's the other thing. You always hear Midoriya because last name first. It's his last name first. Oh, did he change his name later? That's kind of cool. Interesting. I see. What was I even working on? Oh, I was trying to fix the problems. Oh yeah, I keep trying to like diagnose this problem, but I keep getting sidetracked. You know what's actually really close to to that impression? Have you ever seen the Los Angeles video that like kind of popped off a couple weeks ago, like a month ago? His name is Broccoli Bitch. Honestly, you could see some characters in that show give him a nickname like that. Anyway, what was I gonna say? This video of like, it's these guys in a car and they have like a megaphone and they're shooting it out the window and they're like, wow, Los Angeles, the city of dreams. We finally made it. Whoa, real life girls, right? That's what I imagine him talking like. Bakugo's in Pomeranian on steroids. Let me see if I can pull up that video. The wow, real life girls. Yeah, this. Wait, no. Where is it? Los Angeles, the city of dreams. I can't spell. Fuck. TikTok. No, is it not there? Oh no. It's gonna be so hard to find. It was such a niche video, but I absolutely loved it. And me and my friends would reference that for weeks straight. It's like, wow. Real life girls. Did I tell you guys about my dream that I had the other day? Where I had a girlfriend. It was awesome. She wasn't even real. She was a ghost in my dream. That's how far-fetched the idea is to me. It was a ghost. I moved into a haunted house. That's my dream too. Tech, do you dream about having a ghost girlfriend? Because I do that from time to time. Okay, so we generated an outline which didn't even fucking appear. Did I revert to old code? No, I couldn't have. Go fish, it's a ghost. Okay, now the outline isn't even rendering at all. What the fuck did I break? Wish I had one. Spooky's Haunted Mansion for horrors. Awesome. Okay, I don't know what I broke, but now there's like no outlines generating, period. Oh, wait, no, we're getting them. See, my squishu is that they're generating independently, if that makes any sense, right? I really should make a function that's just called like get random color or something. What software are we using? Unity. We're using Unity because it's the one that has the most documentation available. If I were a genius, I would use Godot because Godot is cool and open source, but there's not a lot of good material out there for Godot. How's Punching Rocks? Punching Rocks is going great. We're literally punching them so hard. But I have to fix my code. Let's read through. Let's do a quick read. So get the rend of all that stuff. That just kind of sets up that. Why does the music get crunch? What's happening with the music? I'm not hearing anything crazy with it. Did anything happen in my OBS? Looks pretty normal. Is it weird sounding? Frogs do be chipping. Does it sound weird? I unmuted my own stream and started listening to it. You should watch Pack God. What's Pack God? Sniper Wolf dish track. Oh my god. Oh, all the looping is finally getting to you guys. All right, let's see. On mouse down, what's happening? Look him up. Pack God is awesome. Hold on, let me read through this and I'll read through about him. Color generates. It generates a new color and it sets that new color as color R, color G, color B for the rock. It also sets the default outline color to black every single time. It auto sets it to black, which is really dumb, but I guess we'll do it. He roasts people on Discord. He just roasts people for a living and it's fucking funny. Oh my god. Let's see. Total rarity. I'm gonna do a quick read because I have to find out what's wrong with this. Bool outline generated there. If outline generated, then we'll do create the color for the outline. We'll make a new outline color. Like put it in the corner unmuted. Isn't all of his content vocal? It's dissing people. Does he have just like subtitles? Like if I pulled this up, I just put it in the corner.
Huge thank you.
Like let me see. So if I go like this, I mute it. And I go like this. And for you guys, I just threw it like over here. Does this satiate you? Is this satisfying to just have this in the corner? Okay, let's see. So this is a little pacifier on the side of the screen. Skip this. It's a minute-long video. Make it the whole bottom left corner. Then you're gonna cry that it's covered by my little buddy down in the left-hand corner. How is this video only a minute long? Don't care. So you want it to just be like this. Unmute it and make it big. Hold on, guys. I have a fix for the stream. Hold on. I have a fix. Ready? Pause. Close. Wait, pause the fucking video. Why is it not pausing? It doesn't want to pause. Oh shit. I actually skipped. Anyway. Here's what we're gonna do. Who is the chatter and they're acting like Oku? It's funny because both Oku and this and what is it? And Mr. Pixel Nugget are doing the same thing. It's like they're meant to be together. I was gonna say, let me fix this for you guys. If I do the window capture on the picture-in-picture, and I take the picture-in-picture and move it out of this over here, I just go like this. Okay. And then I go like this. I go like this.
Because I have recorded for you probably the most insane interaction that I have ever had in all of my years of making YouTube videos. So I'm gonna assume that most of you guys are familiar with a YouTuber named Mr. Beast, and a lot of you have probably seen his most popular video he's ever posted, which is Squid Game in real life, a video that currently has almost 600 million views. Now, one of the contestants to promote the OnlyFans, producing such bangers such as here, where she literally asks her grandfather what he would do with her if he had 15 minutes.
If you had 15 minutes with me, what would you do?
Well, you know, I'd have to think about certain things, you know, certain factors like speed of sound and light.
Or here, where she literally has her younger brother talk about the color of her genitals.
So how does it feel to have a sister that has an OF?
My friends always ask me if it's pink, but I don't really know what they mean by that.
NANI?
Click the link in my bio. I can't.
Now, you're probably wondering, why am I talking about this internet lunatic? Well, you see, another YouTuber who you may know named Veshremi recently made a video calling out her very weird behavior.
Excuse me, hi, yeah, if you had 15 minutes with me, what would you do?
Who the f would want to spend 15 minutes with you? You have an only.
And once posted, she actually went and commented on the video saying this: "Keep using me for views, you wouldn't say any of this to my face, you're just mad I make more money than you ever will." So Veshremi saw this comment and decided that he would actually contact her and set up a call in which she can then confront him for what he was saying, just like she originally wanted. Now here's where things get in.
I'm back. Hi, I went and grabbed water. Let me drag this back down. Here. Nice, nice, nice. Awesome stuff, people. Good stuff, good stuff. Why are we watching this? Because they kept asking to watch it. So I decided, I was like, let me just pull it up full screen and go grab water. Back to gaming now, everybody. Ha ha ha. Bring it back. Just go watch the video. You're on YouTube already. You can search it up and watch it. You didn't get to the funny part. Can I be real? I wasn't watching it. I was so invested, totally. I wasn't really watching it, actually. I went to go grab water. Let me tell you, this sink water is delicious. We want brain rot. Okay, yeah, why are these generating independently? I don't like that. We want brain rot. My brain is rotting trying to figure out what the fuck is going on here. Give us the video encoding. Brain nourishment. I'm trying to figure out here though. Like, YouTube is wild. I'm trying to figure out why it's generating these colors separately. Oh. If total rarity equals highest rarity. No, if total rarity is greater than highest rarity. Oh wait, hold on. Yeah, it does set this to 0 automatically at the start. That's good. Please skip to the funny part. Hold on, in 1 second, in 1 second. Give me a timestamp. Give me a timestamp of the funny part. If you get me a funniest part timestamp, maybe I'll look at it. Because all this is working pretty well. So if outline generated, yeah, do that. Oh wait, hold on. This is interesting. So if the total rarity is greater than the highest rarity, it goes through that. That's fine. I'm trying to think of why it's generating the same, it's like not fixing the colors. Cause see, on a click, can I get like paint open or something? I need a way to like visualize this for real. Cause like, see, the first step is we get the color. All right, let me put it underneath here. So first we get the rock color. And the rock color, after we generate it, we do outline question mark, and then it branches, right? Here's where the issue arises, I feel, at this branch. Yes. Then gives us outline color. Right? That's what's happening here. It goes here, and then no, it goes total rarity. Cool. But see, the integral part of this here happens like this. Wait, another ad. I have to add another, like a little wait timer on there, so that way it doesn't notify me 6 minutes in advance. It notifies me like 2. Let's see. If I do like this, so we first generate the rock color, then we see if we are getting an outline or not. If it's yes, then we generate a color. If it's no, then we just skip, we go straight to the total. But if we do generate an outline, then we go straight to total afterwards. So it kind of works like that. That's what the loop is. And it all stems from here now. Then it goes to total greater than highest question mark, which is the next question it asks. What kind of game are you trying to make? It is almost like a clicker game. Very similar in style, but I was actually inspired a lot by Roblox, where there's a new genre of game that's getting very popular, where like you just click a button and it gives you like a random rare item. And like your goal is just get the highest rarity item. So that's kind of what I'm doing now. That's like my idea. So depending on the color of your rock and the color of the outline around the rock. So like a perfectly default rock with no colors, and a perfectly white outline is a perfect rock in this game. According to the way I coded it, but you know. So now this branches and it says, I want to do a big branch on this because I believe there's a big part to it. If no, then do nothing. Do nothing to rock. And an incurrent click. But then if yes, it has to set rock color. But then, right, if outline generated, generate the outline, we'll update the outline color. I mean, like, this code looks like it should work. I don't want to do this. It's not helping at all. Here's my problem. It's in here where, like, if the total rarity is higher than the greatest and the highest rarity, and it does set this back to 0. It initializes this back to 0. I wish I had a way of seeing, like, I don't know. Maybe I need like another window where I can like analyze all these numbers, because like I need to see what's going on inside of here. Also, there's an outline state in here that doesn't get used at all. I should remove that. That was an old remnant from when I was trying to do like this outline generated Boolean. Okay, let's see. Like, what is the issue? What is your problem, Green? Me say alone ramp. Like, see, this makes sense when you hear what it's doing, and it seems to actually work quite well when I do it. But the problem is, there will be times where, see, when I click on it and an outline gets generated, like, see, now we have this maroon outline, which is 4591, and then we have 2364 over there. You'll see the 4591 will stay, and the rarity will change on the rock color, which, like, I don't know why it's saving that value, because every single time it gets reset. Every single time the rock colors get, oh no, it doesn't. Hold on. I know how we do this. This is literally how you solve all problems in this game. All we have to do is take outline color RGB. At the start of every click, just set it to 0. I literally think this solves all of our problems here. Because what's happening is we're setting the color and we're never resetting it. So by going like this, I believe it actually helps us. Let's try it. I think I actually deduced the problem. We're going to go into an ad. So you guys won't be able to see if we solve the problem or not. Okay. That's strong. A strong start. Okay, we generated an outline with 1001, which that's actually really close to dark. So it's going to be tough to tell anyway, whether or not it's a color. If I zoom in on it, it has a very, very, very faint maroon hue to it. Very faint maroon hue. L Twitch, fat L for Twitch, because you're in an ad. But look at this, you're on YouTube. Oh, guys, I fixed it. I fixed the code. It actually works. Oh, that's awesome. It actually works exactly as intended now. And all it required was a little bit of human spice. Power over spice. Now we have to, I do kind of want to work a little bit aesthetically. It's crazy it took us like a fucking hour to solve that problem. Yeah, I want to fix a small aesthetic problem where originally the outline wasn't supposed to be an outline. It was supposed to be a glow. Oh shit, we got a better one. It was originally supposed to be a glow. So I want to see if there's a way to make... What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to start a new chat with ChatGPT. A new, better, and improved chat, just because sometimes it'll get confused. Oh shit, that's wrong. Oh damn, it's putting us on the new model? Hello. This is my current code. Is my current code. Is there any way to make... Oh wait, you know what I should do? Actually, let's go all the way back to the start. Control A, delete. Using the plugin. What plugin is this called? Quick Outline. If I put using the plugin Quick Outline, is there a way to make my outline emissive and blurry? Holy shit, what music is this? Oh, go back. I know what this is. It's going to a playlist. I didn't set it to shuffle properly. Aha. Owie. Okay, let's see what they did here. What did they actually do? Modify the quick outline shader. Open the quick outline shader. There's usually a shader file. Add the emissive property. Modify the shader to include the emissive property. I think I'll just have it set to be emission color is equal to outline color. So let's see. If I go into quick outlines, resources, shaders, outline fill, I guess. And if I opened it up in like, I don't know, in Visual Studio, it's probably ideal. Okay, a completely different version of Visual Studio. Awesome. Pass, fill, call, stencil, program, struct, unity, float. Okay. Is this what we want? In the shader file or in the mask file? Control A, Control C. Position, normal, text coordinate. I don't think this is it, is it? I'm trying to like read through it. Oh, outline color, outline width. Let's see if the ChatGPT knows what to do with this. This is the code for the shader. Make the outline emit light. Add an emissive color property. See, I want the emission color to match the outline color. I should actually specify that. Oh, using post-processing for blur. We could do that actually. That wouldn't be a bad idea. I could add a post-processing effect on there, because I've been hearing a lot of people say that. It seems like something I want eventually in the future anyway. But let's see. If I go to here and I go to I want the emission color match the outline color. Remove the emission color property Use the outline color for the emission effect. All right, that's perfect. And I'm going to see if throwing this in breaks it or not. Okay, let's see if this actually works. This is a completely AI generated shader here. This is going to be make it or break it at this moment. Okay, let's try this. Okay. Whoa, that's a little trippy. The color is like changing as you look at it. That's so strange. Cause see, like this is a primarily like yellow. Well, no, I guess it's green, wouldn't it be? I think this is actually a green color. But it's appearing partly blue and partly green and partly purple and partly yellow too. That's crazy. Cause see, if I go into here and I go into the rock in here, yeah, the outline fill color is actually supposed to be green. You guys can't see it because it's behind my big fat head, but it looks yellow. It's supposed to be green. Pink lily, white lily, orange and purple lily. Oh, orange and purple lily or purple lily, choose please. Let's see. If I had to pick one of those, what would I pick? I think I like, the orange and purple actually sounds really cool. I like that combo. Okay, so that became a blue color. And it does kind of match that. But the way it's working right now is actually kind of silly. Like the colors aren't exactly true. Let's see. I mean, I don't think we're gonna beat this rarity. That's the problem. Why is it looping this music? Whatever. We'll do this music. Video game. My phone died. Well, welcome back. While you're gone, we pretty much fixed one of the big issues that our game was experiencing and kind of introduced a brand new problem to it. I mean, it kind of looks like that, I think. Wait, no, wouldn't that be primarily red rather than primarily blue? It's doing some really funky things with the colors. Copy my, so let's see what this is. What are you putting here? Types of lilies. Damn. Those doth be the lilies. What's inspiring you to look at these lilies, these lily flowers? My phone is slow charging, so it goes down while charging. Man, that's like a, what is it? When I stream, my phone is at extreme, by the way, I use my phone for face tracking, for those who don't know. My phone is always at very extreme loads. It's under extreme load at all times, and it charges just about as fast as it uses battery, which A, makes it very hot, which is not good for the phone. But it means that it usually sits around like 70-ish% as I'm using it, which is very interesting. Okay, so we generated this color. Remember that Lily's Night and Day painting it? I do remember that one, actually. Yeah. See, this, if you look at the colors, I don't think you guys need to be a genius to figure out that 7 is bigger than 4 and 2. Can I start my stream early tomorrow? You know, actually, I mean, what do you mean early? That's my question. Because thing is, you know, I got work. I got a job. So like I come home from work, I eat dinner, and then I start a stream, pretty much. And the Kahoot. I might think about that for the 2 year, which is in 2 weeks. And that gives me time to think of funny answers and put funny photos. Please don't start early. I didn't know, my bad. That's no problem. Oh shit, where am I punching? Oh shit, that was so weird. I want to figure out what the deal, because see this, if you look at the colors, it should primarily be red. And actually, you know what? I'm looking at it right now. The color is supposed to be orange. Yeah, the color is supposed to be orange, but it's coming out blue. This one's supposed to be yellow shader and has nothing. You can see it around the edges. What if I do that? That's so weird. Oh wait, hold on. Did I just solve the problem? No, but something about it's inverted, which is really weird. Imagine having a job, L. But yeah, I usually start my streams around 6 p.m. Eastern. It's my usual time. Unless it's a night like tonight, where I had a meeting and I had to go 6:30. And you'll usually see, if you're a YouTube viewer, I'll put scheduled streams. If you're a Twitch viewer, I probably should put stuff in the Twitch schedule as well, I guess. I just don't like the Twitch schedule. Something about it just irritates me. Let's see. Oh shit. I did it bad. Restart. How would VR chat work? That's actually a great question, because I've contemplated that as a stream. I don't know if I do it publicly. I'd rather have like a set of people. I was actually just talking about this with Vomas. Vomas is another YouTube streamer. You should definitely check him out. Who does a lot of like Photoshop style content, which is really funny. But basically I do have a VR headset. Do it publicly, pussy? No. Because then I have freaks of nature. Like, all right, don't worry. We can get boobies. Just, you know, in a filtered manner. See, I just don't have full body. And that's one thing that I've always wanted. It's my dream to have full body tracking VR. But I just don't play VR enough to do that. Maybe I'll play VR tonight. Maybe I'll boot up the old VR headset. Just in preparation to get my sea legs. But I have a Quest 2. I can Quest link to my PC, and then from there I can capture my what is it? I can capture my headset. You don't need full body. I know you don't, but I just like it. Can I not have a preference here? Also, why is that such a powerful... Oh my god. I just realized how powerful this rock is. I mean, like, somehow you're sending your model as an avatar creator. Oh yeah, I actually uploaded my avatar is on VR chat already. I did that. Oh my, it took me ages to do. I had to get a whole new computer to do that. For some reason, my old PC would not let me do that. But my laptop, my absolute beast laptop could do it, and I uploaded it finally. But yeah, it's in there as a model. So I just kind of use that at the moment, because I am 3D. My model is 3D. That's my primary idea of what I want to use. But like, I always look at the full body tracking solutions, and maybe, you know what we'll do? Maybe in preparation, would you guys want to do a silly arts and crafts stream next week? Because for those of you who don't know, there's cardboard trackers for VR. Do you have a regular head strap? No, I upgraded my head strap. My VR head strap is the Bobo VR. It's a Halo style, so it wraps around the back. See, look, let me see if I can pull it up. What's it called? Well, I used to know how to do it. Where is it? Am I just cringe? If this shitty when you can't do it. I mean, like, there is always options. It's the reason I'm bald. See you soon. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. Hope you have a nice rest of your night. Let's see. I mean, there's a bunch of software out there that you can use for 3D body posing stuff. But there was like one specific software that I really wanted to use. I can do art and submit it through Discord. Live Ultimate Tracker? No, where the fuck is it? I always had this like pinned in my thing, but is it?
These new.
Oh, that's not it. Yuck. It was something like, it almost had like a flowery type name. Which is why I'm having such a hard time to do it. Like figure this out in my brain. Anyway, dinner time. Eat dinner. Have fun. I had Chinese food tonight. It was delicious. Yeah, why the fuck can I not remember the name of this? I have no clue. Oh, there it is. April Tag. That's what it was. April Tag VR. Let me pull this up for you guys on the screen so you guys can see what I'm talking about. It's called April Tag. And basically what they do is, I'll mute the stream. Want to see the progress in your lily painting? Sure. Look at this. Here are the requirements. It's the voice. The requirements for April Tag VR is a camera and a printer, as well as glue, cardboard, rubber bands, and metal wire, which I pretty much have access to all of these. I need new printer ink. Thanks for reminding me, everybody. I need more printer ink. My printer, actually, I have a laser printer, so it's called toner. I need more toner. But basically what you do is you print out these big old QR codes and you stick them onto cardboard. And I guess they use the metal wires as spacers. Oh, wait, no, they use that to fasten. And you basically just take that and you stick it on your damn legs. Will they show it on themselves? Probably not. But you stick it on your damn legs, and after calibrating with your screen, oh no, they do show it. Look, you can stick 2 on your waist, 2 on your legs, and it gives you full body VR tracking for the price of paper and cardboard, which I think is absolutely genius. But like, look at him. He's getting pretty good FTB off of that. Obviously, it's implying the position of his knees, and it does some pretty janky lying down stuff. But you know, for a webcam, it's not bad. I mean, like, there's also the option of doing what is it, like other like straight camera solutions. But I feel like I like April Tag solution because it has something physical to look at, rather than just trying to use AI and determine where your body is. So yeah, I think that's a really cool system. If I end up using it and liking it, I could even improve it to be like fully 3D printed. I think CapHow might be getting a 3D printer at some point. I'm gonna go into the settings here. I'm gonna, well, actually, I'm gonna go ChatGPT. I'm gonna ask why it's inverted. let's see. If I go to ChatGPT, which I completely lost because it's over here. The colors are inverted. Glitchy. Fix this. Okay, so it's updated. Would you lick a man's ass for $100? Not at all. More money. You know what's funny? Recently I've instead of like when I go out with my friends and like sometimes they're like, hey, I only have cash. I'm like, I only have card. And it comes down to like, you know, who's got to pay. Sometimes I'll just say, I'll pay on my card. It's like when we get back home, buy me a Steam game. That's been my go-to for a little while. I'll be like, give me a Steam game. You know what's funny? My old microphone before I got my new one. I was like, hey, I'll give it to you. He's like, I feel like I should give you something in return for it. I'm like, buy me Rivals of Aether on Steam. I'm like, and that would be our fair trade. What's my sex position? If you know them, I've never had sex. Boom. Problem solved. No need to be ashamed. Let's see if this actually fixes the problem. Fair. I was about to say something, but I don't know if it's too gross for stream. Okay. No outline just yet. It generated an outline, but it just is invisible. Let's go into the settings. I think I might have fucked something up, like myself. Rock. I'm gonna invite Queso. I'll be back. Did I fuck something up here? The color is supposed to be green. You know what I need? I need some way to like not have my mouse be focused. You know, I should go into the scene. I'm stupid. If I go to the rock, render queue from shader, Z test, disabled, always, equal greater, not equal. Never mind, he's causing tsunamis in the ocean with his family tree. Wow. What if I just do Z-test disabled? What does that do in the game? So I can't even see it, I guess. I could generate a new outline, but you can see it around the edges. Let me go into the GPTs and say the outline is now only visible where the object intersects with the floor. How it handles depth and testing blending. You know, there's actually a whole nother shader that I really should give it the text, like the code for. Copy code. Let's see if it fixes with this. If not, we'll revert back to the original shader code and I'll give it both and we'll try and repair from there. Let's give this a run. Oh, holy shit. I'm seeing it. Hold on, go back. Run this again. It's actually kind of working right now. Turquoise, turquoise, turquoise. Okay, it generated the light blue, and if we zoom in, we can see the light blue emission on the edge. But I guess, is the thickness not right? No, I guess that's the thickness. I mean, like, it kind of works now. Let's generate another one, possibly. I guess I could just ask ChatGPT. I'm like, the outline's very thin. Can you make it thicker? Oh wait, no, let's add the bloom first. Let's add bloom in post-processing. Which it gave me details for. I might have to side window this as well, because then we have to go Windows, package manager, post-processing, in the Unity registry, post-processing, install. Add the bloom effect to the post-process volume and adjust its intensity. Empty game object, call it post-processing. Add a post-processing okay, we'll try this out. Stop. Okay, I think we're in a good spot here, because if we can get this to glow, that would be awesome. I think that would be a great spot. Like, you know, we would have really hammered in the outline situation, made it actually glowy, which is one of my big goals. So it's not actually an outline, it's a glow. And then, I mean, like, we could try doing the particle system, but I think it's better if we actually fix the current particle spawner. That was actually made using ChatGPT. You can see it over here. So we'll go back to that code. I'll say that the particles are persisting after they're spawned. How can we remove them as we go? And we can edit the old script. I think that'll be a good fix. It's taking a while to compile the scripts. I think it's because I accidentally installed it while the game was running. But that's fine. It should just get there in a second. Anything else fun that I left around here? Oh, that's the original code. I think it actually ended up working out quite well. Go to my server. The art channel. Oh, this is the Day Night Lily. What is it? This is Yumi's art progress. Very cute. I like the snake. Is it a snake or a worm? Scale makes me think worm. Scale makes me think worm. Face makes me think snake. Do they have eyes? These are really cute drawing that Vendix does. I like these a lot. The little doodles. I had an idea where, like, I had this idea where I'm like, I should spend an hour every day just trying to draw. Create an empty, call it post-processing. I'm like, I should spend an hour every day just doodling, and then, like, maybe I post that on Twitter and we just see what happens over the course of, like, the summer. But I'm like, there's no way I'm sitting my ass down and drawing for an hour. And I'm like, I also have zero motivation to do it. Add component, called post-processing volume. Post-processing volume. I drag it to the top, just that way it's all the way up there by the lighting. Its position should be 0, 0, 0, probably. Is that how this works? Add the bloom effect. Component set it to global. I should really watch a YouTube video on how to do this. I feel like that'd be smarter. Unity post-processing bloom. It's a 4-minute video. I think we'll survive. And we'll do it without audio. Okay. So first we create a sphere. He gives it an emission, I guess. Then it makes the post-processing volume. He gives it the post-processing volume thing. Oh, and he gives it a post-processing profile? Did I miss something? Am I stupid? HDR color. Yeah, he makes that an emissive material. Intensity. He has the post-processing volume. He adds an override. Using the asset. Assign a post-process profile to this volume using the assign. Oh, new. Add effect. Unity bloom. Is this what I wanted? Yeah, post-processing profile. Okay, that's fine. Bloom. And you see that's on. I don't know why I can't set the intensity. Oh, yes, I can. He goes into his graphics. Goes to universal render. Oh shit, how do you do that? How do you show the whole thing lit up? Graphics, he goes there. I mean, I have a different render pipeline, but that's fine. Quality HDR. I think I already have that like kind of semi-enabled, I guess. Let's go back to the start. Let's see what he's doing. So he makes the material. He adds that. He adds bloom. He sets the threshold and intensity to be 0.9 and 1, which I like. That's fine. We'll do what he does. Then he goes under project settings, which is under edit. Edit project settings, graphics. And he has the we're gonna hit an ad again soon. Render pipeline, light map modes. I guess that's just so we could see what render pipeline he's using. But I guess if I go into my assets, I can see that I have this. Here it is. I have HD. Color grading space. After opaque and sky. After post-process blurs. It's kind of cool. Lighting. Oh wow. It's a lot of settings in here. Whoa. Can I have motion blur? I'll add motion blur. I know a lot of people don't like motion blur, but I like it. Ray tracing. Oh, ray tracing in the rock game. Okay, boom. Ray tracing is on. And motion blur. I don't think I see any motion blur. Anyway. mean, we have that, which is good. You see, it's still a little glitchy where occasionally it'll turn blue, depending on like the angle you're looking at it from, but that's fine. I think it's kind of cool. Let's see. I mean, what does he do from here? He turns HDR on. Does it just magically make everything bright and pretty? It does, I guess. Free aspect. Camera. I mean, the only thing that's not checked. That. Wait, there's also this down here. Lighting. Metallic. Asynchronous. Custom or baked reflection. Oh shit, why is Siri on? Get out of there. Real-time reflection. Bloom. Maybe you should actually watch this video with the sound on rather than watching it completely muted. I actually want to watch this one instead.
How to make this object glow effect in Unity.
Cool.
By the way, welcome
Tell me how to do
the
it.
channel where we make game development content and tutorials. Post-processing installed. So I'm going to go to Window.
Okay.
Processing.
I already did that.
We need to isolate the layer that the camera, putting a filter over the camera. But because of this, we need to isolate the layer that the camera is on. So
okay, let's go over here.
the post the camera. But because
So we go
of
to the
this,
camera.
we need to isolate the layer that the camera is on. So the post-processing will only affect the main camera.
Layer.
So I'm going to create
Add layer.
a new layer and name it camera, and then assign my main camera's layer from default to camera. With that set up, we just need two components on our main camera now, a post-process layer and a post-process volume.
Oh, no, this object only. Add component, a post-process layer.
The post-process layer tells Unity where to place our effects, so this is where we get to choose
And then
the
we,
camera
do we
and
get the
layer
volume as well on here?
on. The post-process volume is where we get to set up our effects and alter other settings like
Okay,
priority
so
and
can I get rid of the
volume.
other
We really don't need those for
post-process?
this tutorial as we're only doing one post-processing
That's
layer.
cool.
I'm checking is global here because I want these effects to be on the entire scene, and because we have not created any effects yet, I need to create a new post-processing profile so I
She has her
can
own
adjust the
music, so I'm just
settings
gonna use
how
it.
I wish. There's a lot of cool post-processing effects here, but the one that is
Add component. Wait, not add component. Select post-processing. Oh wait, no, I don't want to do that. Oh, layer camera. I'm stupid. Layer camera. Anti-aliasing, no anti-aliasing. That's good. Pick this one. Why can't I get the camera one? How'd they get that?
It's global here because tutorial as we're only doing one post-processing layer. I'm checking is global here because I want these effects to be on the entire scene, and because we have not created any effects yet, I need to create a new post-processing profile. So
Oh,
can
I already did
adjust
that.
the
That's
settings
fine.
How I wish. There's a lot of cool post-processing.
But let me actually make a new one. I don't like this one. Can I delete it? It's under assets. I'll just make a new one. New main camera one. Add an effect from Unity called Bloom.
Processing effects here, but the one that is going to make our object glow is the bloom effect. None of the settings are set up by default, so we have to go in and check the ones that we want. The first three are all we really need for this, but this is one of those things where it's nice to have a starting line, and then you can play around with the other effects and get used to what they do. So bloom works by taking light and bleeding the edges of the light. So to make your objects glow, they have to have, well, light. So on an object, how do we do that? Luckily, we can create a material that has an emission. Keep all of the standard.
Okay, I have an emission
things that come low. So
thing.
I like to not adjust the to 0, which is missing effects. Once I go back to my bloom settings, I realize that the intensity is set to 0, which isn't going to produce any effects.
Okay, so let's try this. Let's try it. We have the emission and we have the post-process on the camera. Correct? Let me full screen this so I can actually see what's going on and shrink that. Glow for me. Damn it, fool. Glow. I don't think he wants to glow. "30 clicks in. No outline yet. Is our luck this bad?" It's a 1 in 10 chance. Okay. It's there. Oh, hold on. It's glowing, but everything is glowing. I mean, yeah, it is. I think it just needs to be bigger. Yeah, like everything is kind of glowing rather than just this. No, but this has a glow to it. You can see it. It just needs to be bigger. Okay, back to GPT. Let's see. If I go like this, the outline is really small now. Make it bigger. To ensure the outline is more prominent and large, you can increase the outline width. I guess, yeah, I could have just looked into that. Anyway, let's go into the actual settings of that now. Boink and boink, boink. Increase from 2 to 5. Okay, I'm going to unmute my music. We can bring it back. AV, save. And that was with the game still running. I mean, it looks a little bigger. All right. I kind of want it to be like 10 though. That's what I had before. But also I don't want this to be like this bright. I think 0.9 is the magic number. Let's see where I can find the outline. There it is. Set the default to 10 because apparently the slider doesn't want to work anymore because of the changes I guess I made. Okay. Also, I have to remove the decimal points in that rarity value. It's really pissed me off. The 00 decimal. Okay, yeah, the outline is there and it's very bright, which is nice, but like, I don't know if I'm getting any real glow out of it. So I guess I could turn off the main, like, light in the room, maybe? If I remove the light. I made it dark now. Do you think I would see the emissive layer a little bit better? Oh, it has an outline, it's just dark. Oh, you can definitely see the outline on it. It's just gotta be way bigger. It's so puny. Let's just increase the number to something crazy high. Like if I go into here and I put it as like 50. I just go into here. And we just see what happens. With an outline width of 50. Is this gonna be too much? I don't think it's changing at all. I think it's stuck at where it is. What if I just change this? 0 to 50, 50. Save. And now if I go into like the rock over here, we can see under the thing. Oh wait, no, I did make it bigger. Hello. That size 50 isn't bad. I actually really dig that. It's bright, but it doesn't reflect off anything, which is kind of annoying. I mean, like if I were to bloom it a little more with the camera. And I go to like the scene or something. We go to the bloom, like we can raise this to like 5 or something. I mean, yeah, that glows more. But so does like everything else in the scene, which is annoying. And being that the post-processing is applied to everything, pretty much, ooh. I mean, it's definitely glowing. Let's go to the rock. It reset the width. I think it's because it was in the game, maybe? If I go to the rock now. Oh, I can't change the outline now because it's not applied yet. That's weird. Let's see if we can get it to summon in again. I bet there's a way I could change in the settings of the actual rock script to set the outline width to be 50. Yeah, because I think 50 is the perfect size. But again, the bloom is just really weak on it. It's just a really weak bloom, which is unfortunate. But like this blue worked really well. Yeah, like look at how bright that is. Incredibly bright. Yeah, that's on a bloom of 10. You can even see how like the numbers are lighting up over here. Maybe it was just a really weak glow. I mean, like, no, it's just primarily blue. With a very deep purple. Whoa. That's kind of dope. Will this look as a 50? Oh, wow, that'd be blinding. I mean, that's also with a, you know, again, the bloom is on Insano mode at 10, but I think, like, what if I did 5? I mean, at 1, it doesn't do much. I think, you know... What does the threshold do? Oh, wait, 0.1? 0.2, 0.3... 0.7 at like a 1, maybe? Maybe this is the secret here. Changing the threshold on a lower level. No, I think it definitely has to be like a threshold of 0.8 on like a 5 maybe, or a 3. I think that actually looks pretty damn good. Maybe even a 2. Intensity. Like, that's kind of glowy enough, isn't it? It's a great glow. It's a really powerful outline we have going, though. I do have to set the default outline width. So if I set like outline, get component outline, new color. Oh, let's do where's the applying the outline? Outline color. So on start, I'll have outline width. I think that's the actual thing you can put in there, right? Outline width. WIDTH or whatever. If I go to rock. Yeah. DTH. Equals 50. I think that should actually solve all the issues with that. Because the default, it wants to start at 10 for some reason. So if I just set it to be 50 on start, that's pretty strong, I think. See, that has a 10 right now, which is not good. Control X. Let's put that in the I guess if it's gonna enable the outline, I guess we'll do it like that. You know? I think it's a pretty good idea. Not too shabby. Getting that outline in there. But again, we have to like, get rid of the main light in the entire space. I guess eventually I would want to change the lighting. But like, is this the true solution that we want? Oh, there we go. Perfect. Okay, nice. I actually dig this a ton. The lighting is super cool. But if I add in now, like, a light, like an, I don't know, a directional light. Like, look at how harsh the bloom is. I mean, if I put this at like 0.3, like, yeah, the horizon looks atrocious. But the rock looks cool. That's the problem. The rock is all bloomed the fuck out. And in order to do that. Oh, what if I... If I only wanted to apply one object, that's gonna be tough. How do I even like bother with that? You know? Directional light. Yeah, I don't know how I can do that. I guess for now we're just doing it no lights. It's just dark. We have our glowing rock. Okay, let's do this. I'm gonna go into the settings for this. Here. What was it gonna change? Oh, I want to get rid of the color rarity. It just has to get rid of that. Easy fix. Let's do that first. Let's check that. And then I guess we'll do the particle spawner system. Because that one is really a fucking pain in the ass. It just keeps summoning like new particle spawners. But see, by changing that, you can see the color rarity isn't now a rounded number and it doesn't do annoying shit. For how bright this yellow is, it doesn't look very luminescent. I think a lot of the greens and whites are way more luminescent than... no, you stand on top of it, it definitely shows up. Oh, the blues are super cool too. I guess just the idea of having the outline is really dope. As a multiplier. And again, I am going to change this to be a 1 in a 100 chance. So that way it's not like, you know... It's not as common as what I'm getting right now. Let's see. We're going to the scripts and we're going to go to the particle spawner script. Because this is a problematic one. We go to GPT and we go to particle spawner. This works. Well, no. Keep duplicating. Make the code delete the previous spawner. All right, let's see if that works, because if that's the case, we might have just oh, destroy last spawn particle. All right, cool. Cool. I think this should do it. And by changing this, Control S, it should fix our particle system, which was problematic before. Now it should be unproblematic. Hype. I love Mario. All right. Oh wow, it actually worked. That was really easy. Also, that's what a almost pitch black emission looks like. That's crazy. I mean, like when you look at it on the horizon, you can kind of see it, but this one dull rock. It's got like a slight green twang to it. Oh my god, wow. That got bright quick. I guess the brighter the color gets, you know, the rarer it is, which is a nice system. I like that. Now, I had this crazy idea of, I just realized that by like rapid firing it, it makes the particles disappear, which, you know, I don't dislike actually. Kind of like that. Eventually, because I am eventually gonna have the punch speed limited. It's a good idea. I have to look up next how to make objects emit their own particles. I'm gonna go to the bathroom real quick. Give me 1 minute. And once we figure that out, I think we're pretty much gonna have all the base mechanics done. We'll see. And then we can start working on other mechanics that I want to just implement, like, you know, fixing the clicks, fixing the rarities, all that stuff. Well, not the rarities, the chances of getting these rare things. All right, BRP. I'm back. All right. I'm like looking at the wrong screen on my other monitor. Better. So yeah, I guess we can make a particle system. Like, how do I make an object emit particles? Because I'm thinking, right, that if we go inside this system and I look at the this, what we're gonna do is we're gonna create another one of these, but inside of here, which is gonna be nasty. Because then what's gonna happen is we go this. If not outline generated, but now particle. That's the rub, people. See? So now, if the oh wait, shit, did I break that? I did. It's actually supposed to be like this. Tab that up and enter like that. Cool, fixed. because then later on, we can do, yeah, if outline generated, do that, and I guess we can do like an if particle generated or something. That's going to set up these things to do particles. I think the base particle that I want to do is a like circle, but then eventually I'll have like a randomized system to pick from like a list of like 4 or so. Let's see. If I go, I have to think. Can an object, that's what I want to Google search this. Let's Google. Nope, that's not it. Also, do you like my little profile pics that I have for my accounts? VTubing is a little sunset. I'm a Sigma wolf when I go to school. I'm a red panda when I'm doing my personal shit. It's awesome. Yeah, let's go here. Unity. Make object. Emit particles. Emitting particles from meshes and textures. Let's see.
Hey guys, it's Matt. Welcome to Speed Tutorial.
That's kind of what I'm looking for.
Today, and this is a tutorial about being able to emit particles from either a mesh or a sprite, so you can use the shape of that object to emit the specific particle.
Yes.
And a great developer called Merzabij, if you've ever seen him on Twitter or on YouTube, he has some really awesome particle effect tutorials. He made me aware of this and I wanted to try it out.
I want a flame thing as well.
Be sure to check out my Patreon to get access to over 155 different scripts, assets and projects you cannot find anywhere else. So check out all the links in the description for all the best game dev savings for this
Nice.
month. Here in my scene is that I was inspired to put something together which I thought would look quite cool. And this is a Goku model with a few interesting additions. Now, the way that this works is what we can do is I'm just going to get rid of the particles that
I'm gonna full screen this.
Click. I'm going to choose effects and I'm going to choose particle system. I'm going to rename this to character particles. And then under the shape section, you can see that normally we can select by shape and something else. Angle. Then it's going to go from the exact triangles of the mesh. And we can select a specific mesh renderer. So this mesh that I've got for this is the Goku model.
So if I do a rock, I give it its own particle thing, right? So if I give like an effect particle system, cool, and I put it like 0, 0, 0. Like that, and we can do the shape. He said what? Mesh renderer or the rock, right? Look at that, my rock is now emitting particles. That's really good. I like that a lot. But I guess we can turn it off by toggling the emission. Oh, that's perfect. That's honestly perfect. Because think about that. You know, there's no funny business. It's just like, you know, if you get it, you turn it on. If you don't get it, you turn it off and you set the settings to 0. Right? So that's really good. I'll rename this to rock particle. Rename to rock particle. Let's rename this one. I just want to rename the rock to rock. Is that going to break everything? I boot it up. Let's see. Doesn't look like it. Still works perfectly fine. Okay, we're generating color. It doesn't look to be as emissive anymore. I don't know if I broke the emission stuff. Or the bloom with the camera. I mean, the outline's cool enough, but It'd be nice if it glowed more. No, I think it's still glowing. It's just tough to get working. Oh no, it's definitely glowing. Fucking forget it, man. I do like that we're truncating these numbers now to just the nearest, you know, 1. Because having that decimal point was so irritating. I also kind of want the rarity to be underneath the clicks, but that's another pet peeve. I'd rather have this just say the color stats. You know? Yeah, I think that's fine. But let's go into ChatGPT. And let's copy our code that we currently have. Which so far it really hasn't caused any problems with, like, you know, breaking at all. I don't think we've ever had issues with that, but okay, this can be minimized. Let's make a new system. This is, oh wait, no, I want it to be Unity helper. Thank you. This is my current code. To add toggles on and off. Well, it toggles on a particle emitter. Particle system when, oh, you know what I should do? I should reference my own codes, that way it knows what I'm doing. Oh wait, I said outline. Did I never save that? Oh, I guess I never saved that, true. Let's do this to particle. Particle generated is equal to that. Then particle generated. Let's go Control A, Control C, save that by the way. Go back into the UPT. This is my current code. I want to add a system that toggles on a particle system when bool particle generated equals 1. Create a particle system. In your Unity project, add a reference to the particle system in your script. So let's see. Render, outline, click count, text mesh pro, all that stuff. Ensures the particle system is initially disabled. If particle system is null, then particle stop. Oh, public particle system. Perfect. That's what I need. I'll put that up with my publics over here. Public particle system. And then what else does it do? It gets all that stuff. Ensures it's enabled at the start. Let's add that in. Why not? I would kind of like if it was more like this rather than how they did it in their code. I just like that to match better. Is called upon once per frame. On mouse down. Create a new random color. That's fine. That all stays the same. Oh, and it runs that and that like that, but I don't want that. If outline generated, total rarity, if total rarity. Yeah, that's really dumb. If particle generated, I mean, that's kind of like a good system, I guess. We'll test this. It's going to be rough around the edges, but I think it should work, right? If particle system generated, particle system play. I don't care whether or not, you know, like, see, we can actually get rid of this. We don't need it. You know what I can actually do? I can go like this. That's better. Because that'll go down here later. Eventually, like if outline generated, we'll go like that, and we'll have if particle system, whatever. Oh, you know what I actually could do? This would be better. I'll actually throw it in here, where it's supposed to go in the future. Because then it will still work at the end, I think. I don't want it to be a 1 in 10. I actually want it to be a 1 in 2, which 1 in 10, I guess it's whatever the number is plus 1. So 1 in 3 would be a 1 in 2 chance. Just because I want it to be a little rare, you know? Because it's technically going to be a 20% chance, like what is it? A 1 in 20, if you really think about it. All compiler errors. Game object rock. Oh, you know what? I never set the actual thing. Can be used for static batching. If the mesh becomes part of a static batch, it cannot be used. Oh, do I have it toggle static? I don't need it as static. The particle name particle generated does not exist in the current context. Hides particle system hides inherited member component rock system. Let's see. I'm gonna paste this into ChatGPT and just say fix this error. Fix these errors. I spelled errors so wrong. Fix these errors, and it's going to be, first of all, this one, which is the most important one. And the other one is going to be this. And we'll see where it goes from there. Actually, no, I should full screen that. GPT here and the code. I don't really want to mess with the button, with the clicker anymore, or the shader. We'll maybe mess with that later. Use the corrected script to solve both issues. I'll just paste it in. If it doesn't work, we'll cry about it. You know? We're at currently 114 lines. The new one is 119. That's fine. So if I go save. Oh wait, no, it's doing the wrong shit. That's the problem. It's because it's not working the way I want it to. What did it do to fix that? Public new particle system, particle system. Why is it adding new? I guess it's fine. We'll add new to it. Reference the particle system. If particle system. Stop. Okay, cool. What's the other one? That particle system is not recognized in the current context. Okay, you know what? Let's save this and see if just adding that new in fixed anything. I fixed one error. You know what? Let's run it. Nope. The name particle generated does not exist. Open up GP Tizzle. Use the corrected script. Particle system, yeah, it does that. Stop on maps down. Outline generated, particle generated. See, it's doing it weird where it's like, it's separating them out because obviously it doesn't know what I want. But we're getting somewhere, I think. Okay. If particle generated, particle type. If particle generated equals Unity random engine that. Let's see. If I said it's like 5 or something, if I just put it at the top and called it a private, like a private float or something, or I guess a private bool. And gave it like an 11 or something. Private bool. Just called it particle generated. And you'll see it gets referenced down there as well. As, oh, hold on. It's not being referenced inside there. That's its problem. See, its issue is that, you know, if I highlight this, it knows that and it knows that, but it doesn't get anything else. You know? So it's being generated out here. Which I guess means... What if I just do this? Bool particle generated equals 0 or something stupid, you know? So that way now it makes sense in the context of everything else, right? I think that's good. Save. We just had to generate outside so that way it knew what it was up to. Oh, cannot implicitly convert into bool. Alright, fine. Let's change it to 1, 1. How's that for you? Still can't do that. A local parameter particle generated cannot be declared in the scope. On line 71? 59 and 71 are problem child lines at the moment. 59 is over here. And 71. Cool. Alright. 71, what's its problem? Local parameter particle generator cannot be declared in the scope because the name is being used in an enclosing local scope to define a local or parameter. Alright. So it can't be used in there. That's so stupid. So how do I like set it up? That's my question. I don't want to copy their code because their code is wrong. Control A, Control C. I figure out how I can make it fix my code. This is my code. Fix these errors. I just copy and paste all the errors in. Can I just mass select them? I think the only real one is this. Do you ever look at the lily? Yeah, I did. I actually pulled it up on stream. It was really nice. I like it. a lot. And if I go with the next, oh, disable the static property. I did already. That's a nothing burger of a response. Here. Use the corrected version of your script. Is it going to do it the way I want it, or is it going to do it its way? That's my question. Oh, it does it my way. My way or the highway? Okay, cool. Move the declaration to the class level. All right, cool. It gets set straight up to the top, which is perfect. Because it's like, it realized the error in its ways. Overall, it's all the same. But save that up. Doing that should resolve all the errors. Hopefully. Okay, cool, it did. And that should remove all the console errors by booting it up. All right, perfect. Oh, that's a really pretty outline. Like violet color. It's gonna be tough to beat a 9,000 rarity, actually. I know we can get into the 10Ks, but like, that's a pretty solid first pull. Let's restart. I guess I could just make it like a set thing. Oh, particle system, none. Rock particle. There we go. That helps. It's very important, actually. Oh, that's weird. There's a green shader, and it's like shaded funny. Oh, because it's a dark shader, I see. Okay, a weak shader. See, we have a wow. That is a powerful green. We have a pretty high chance of actually getting the... I'm getting tired of birthdays. Ooh, other people's or your own? I mean, it's technically a 1 in 2 chance. Every time we generate a... What is it? A new outline, it should generate another particle system. Other people's. Why, what makes you sick of other people's birthdays? Okay, I guess we're not getting any particles anytime soon. 2 birthdays in 2 weeks and another one in June. But yeah, what we're gonna do, we're gonna make this a a 1 in 2 chance, like a 1 in 1 chance. So it's always gonna happen. I had $90, you spent 40 on birthday stuff. It's a wallet drainer, man. Birthdays are expensive. You know, it's funny. Me and my friends, we don't really do birthday stuff anymore. If anything, like, we'll go out to do something and we'll be like, oh yeah, sorry, I forgot to mention it's my birthday today. I mean, there's some people who remember. I'll buy them a Steam game. That's what I'll often do. Like, I got Cap Out Factorio for his birthday back in October. I think he's scared to play it. Guilt trip your friends. Okay, I like insta-binked a really powerful thing. It doesn't look like it wants to work right now. It should be a once every single time deal right now, but it's not working. Yeah, it doesn't want to work. Ain't no particles generating. Wow, that is getting really bright. Also, why are we getting this weird 0.001? Make them play rounds. That's what I do with VTubers. For Christmas, I buy them rounds. Cap already owns rounds. He plays it once a month, and then he beats me, and he's like, wow, you play this game all the time. How are you so bad at it? It's literally his favorite thing to do in the world. I'm gonna jump off the map. Oh, wow, that's a really high rarity. It could be better if I had, you know, more red. If it's an occurring thing, he has a point, I guess. I think it's purely luck-based because we only play one round. Like, we only play one game, and he's like, I'm better than you, I'm never playing again. For like the next couple months. In which case, then he boots it up. Whoa. We're getting somewhere, people. We should actually calculate what the highest possible rarity is at the moment. Let's do that real quick. Because I don't feel like coding much more. I'm kind of done. I added my 2 systems. They worked well. But if I go here, the system to find out what the highest rarity is this. We basically have a module. We take whatever the red value is, which, you know, red times 100, and then we multiply that by outline red. Okay, red times 100, which is then multiplied by outline red times 100 plus 1. And that gets added to basically this 3 times over. Well, 2 times over, but this time it's blue here. Blue again. And then green is in the middle. Outline green. And green. Now the highest value for all of these is 1, right? So let's say our red was 1, our outline red was 1, our green was 1, our outline green was 1, and then we had an outline, well, a blue and outline blue of 1 as well. The highest possible limit we can have on this is 30,300. Now I'm thinking about implementing another system, which is the particle system, which is going to be increasingly more rare. I think I also realized that, oh wait, no, I didn't mess it up. So I'm thinking if I just added another one of these onto it, would it be even cooler and funnier, the numbers? Okay, it would go to the 3 millions, which would be kind of funny. But I'm thinking, what if I did also like 1,000? Hold on, let's see. Go here, make it 1,000, 1,000. Because it's much rarer to get a particle system. So I mean, yeah, we're working with 30 million rarity. I think that'd be kind of funny. Have any car accessory suggestions? For what kind of vehicle are we talking? I don't know. Yeah, I think the 1,000 would be kind of funny. A car. All right, fine. Car accessories. Wheels. No, I'm kidding. Hi, Kato. You should add fuzzy dice. Add fuzzy dice to the car. And a fuzzy steering wheel. And leopard print seats. It's my dream. Kato, look at my epic game that I'm making. Oh, it's for a gift? Oh, that's actually another great question. A car accessory? Keychains are really cool for cars, actually. My sister Newt, loves keychains. She has a bunch of like little, I don't know, tassels and trinkets attached to her keychain. It's cute. You got a lot of cats. Don't get stuff to go on the dashboard or on the rear part of the car. If you're doing that, because that's a safety hazard. Holy shit. That is the... Oh my god. What a great outline and what a shit color. Look at that. 0 red, 0 green, and 26 blue. We got outline in red and green and 0 blue outline. It gave us nothing. This has to be the shittiest rarity ever. What if the dashboard decoration is small? That's fine. I've just heard stories of people who, like, you know, they get into accidents and, like, you know, they'll have stuff on their front dashboard, on their, you know, by their back windshield, and it will just shatter their front windshield or fly forwards and hit you in the back of your head going at like 60 miles an hour. But that's for like plushies. Oh, wow. Hello. This is better. Also, what's up with the fact that we're getting like these outlines so frequently? I have to check some of this. I think I might have changed around some of the wrong numbers. Oh, I did. I'm stupid. Change that back to 11. Change this to 1. I'm silly stupid. Give me a sec. I had the wrong numbers changed. I mean, the fact that we still haven't seen the particle system is a little concerning, but that's fine. Oh, I just realized why I can't see it. It's because I'm even more silly stupid. If I go into the rock particle system, the emission is turned off. To see if we generate... Whoa. Why are they purple? That's cool. I don't know why they're changing colors like that, but is it something to do with the outline color or the rock color? I think it's mimicking the rock color with its particles. Okay, that's really cool. I like that system. Let's restart real quick. Because I think I have a bit of a feeling. Oh, that one didn't generate particles. Oh, are the particles invisible because the rock is... Oh, wait, no. There's a chance. No, there is not a chance that the particles don't generate. Oh. It's because I'm stupid again. I have to stop it. Go to the particle spawner. Yeah, particle spawner. Not that one. The rock particle. And set the emission on again. I should give them like a... I don't know. Like a shorter life... Oh my god. I give them a shorter lifespan. Like 1 second. Just that way they don't fucking linger on forever. Okay, so the particle system works cool. I just don't want them to have their own like color like this. I want them to have a unique color. Right? You feel? Rather than just matching the rock color. Also, you can see why it needs to be 1 in 100 to get this outline rarity, because it honestly throws off the stats so much. Wow. That's a pretty outline. I like that a lot. I like the pure white outlines. They look so good. But yeah, I have to change that outline statistic and the particle statistic eventually, but for now, it's chilling. All right, cool. Let's stop this. I actually think I could set up a system right now to make it act like everything else. Let's actually make the system that makes it act like everything else. Because I said I don't want to code anymore, but I just had this idea, and if I forget it, I'm going to be pissed. If particle generated play, and over here... Oh, wait, no, it does work exactly the same as everything else. I just need to add another if particle generated statement in here, I think. Kind of like this. And I don't want it to be if particle play. Control A, Control C. And Control C that as well, because and I want to Control C this as well, because basically what I want to do is I want to say to ChatGPT, I want to say, here is my current code. And we can add the full code, which you can find using this. In this section, was it in the WinV if particle generated? What is it? In the empty, I should say. In the empty if particle generated section. Yacht. Welcome back. We're wrapping up pretty much. I'm adding like one more thing if I possibly can. In the empty if particle generated section, add a system to randomize the particle color. Yeah, to randomize the particle color. You should make VR videos though. It'd be fun. I'd be interested in doing a VR stream. I just have to get the system sorted out. I do want to do a VR horror though, probably for the 3-year anniversary, and if we can get to 150 on Twitch, because I originally promised it for. But maybe if, you know, we'll do a one or the other. Ideally both at the same time would be nice. In the empty if particle generated section, add a system to randomize the particle color. Similar, well, similar to the other color generation systems. Who is Yumi Beans? Yumi Beans is on Twitch. They're on Twitch right now. The particle colors, similar to other particle the color generation systems. To add a system that randomizes. Oh shit! They're asking me to pick a response. That randomizes the particle color similar to the other you'll need to do the following steps. Add a new random color for the particles, assign it. To randomize the color of the particles in your particle system, change the start color property of the particle system. Below is how you can modify the if particle section. This one's still printing out. It's taking its sweet ass time. I guess because this one finished. Okay, if particle generated, float particle color. Can I alt scroll? No, I can't. I wish you could see what it's trying to do to solve it. I don't like what this is doing. I like this. Thank you. Create a random color for the particles. Oh, wow. It does everything. It just doesn't define floats. That's the only thing it's failing at, is making particle color floats up there. But I think it kind of binks it. var main module particle system dot main module start color particle color. I could try that. Let's try that. In the code where it's empty, create a new color for the particles. And it does it particle that. I guess, do I even need to define them out there? Is that going to throw errors? Probably. Now it's going to have that if total rarity is greater than the highest rarity. I think that's fine. Yeah, let's do it. And we save. Hold on. And we might have to do actually another thing. I might have to move this, set the particle system's start color. I might have to move this out actually to be in this system instead, because I think that's, yeah, it seems better. I like that a lot better. Save. Now let's see how many millions of errors it throws in the actual Unity software. Particle color does not exist in the current context. I think it's just because I need a thing called particle color. That's no big deal. New outline color. New outline color, new color. New particle color, I'll call it, just to match. And if I look in here, we can see, do we have this? Particle system, no we don't. I'll just plug it into that. I'll feed it the error and just make it fix it. It's actually throwing up an error in 107, which is crazy. Also, I guess we just don't need the new or whatever. Was it before? Yeah, there we go. In 107, it's throwing up the error. Oh. I guess because particle system doesn't exist outside. So yeah, let me change up new particle system to be all this. Oh, not new particle system. New particle color. That's what we're looking for. And then over here, I guess we should have something set for new particle color. Take this as a float, right? Oh, or maybe not. Let me just throw it into GPT. That's fine. It's no big deal. And go like this and copy the error. Because it's just one error. It's fine. And I should be able to figure that out. Because particle color variable is declared inside the if block, making it whatever. All right, it's going to spit out the new one. Hopefully that fixes the problem. I think, yeah, we can see particle generated false. No, that's not it. It shouldn't be too bad. I think it should be a pretty easy fix. Nice. Okay, it declared it outside of the if, which is fine, diddly and dandy and awesome. So if we copy this, then skablam. Control A, Control V. And save. Go back to the game. Fingers crossed it solves all our problems. Yes, it does. If we run this, we can see what? What can we see? Hopefully a rock emitting no particles. Perfect. And now when it generates, this, it's not generating any particles. That's no good. Oh wait, no, those are green particles. That matches the rock. That could be a fluke. Because usually the particles want to match the color of the rock. I wonder if I can check the settings to see if it was not a fluke. We can see that is 79, 104, 61. No, 140. 79, 140, 61. 79, 140, 61. Which is completely different from that. Okay, yeah, it's actually generating its own unique color, I guess. But it doesn't look like... Oh wait, no. It is generating its own unique color. That's awesome. Because now if I go to the rock particle, we can see that its color is blue. That's awesome. That worked out way easier than I thought. Surprise, surprise, everybody. So now if I just implement the system that I was doing for the crazy rarities, we can now do this. So I think the number that I really want in here is going to be not a 1 and 2, but really this has to be a 1 in... See, that's 101. I think if we have a double 101, that'd be absolutely insane and so difficult to get. I'll set up an auto clicker and see how long it takes me to get to a really high level. But then what we have to do is particle color RGB. See, I have to add more multipliers to this to basically create the same system as we have before over here. But rather than outline color R, we have particle. Yeah, particle color R, and then we multiply it by 1,000, because I think that's only fair. And we basically copy this. Then we go to G, we can add that in. Particle color G. Oh shit, I added in the wrong spot, didn't I? Yeah, I did. It's supposed to go here. Space paste. And we call that a G. And then lastly, we go here, we go like this. Am I allowed to say the N-word? Absolutely not. That shouldn't be a question. Okay, I think that's a good calculation for the total rarity. I think if anything, it's going to cause a problem with just not being able to be referenced. Yes, that's exactly what I thought. Which means... Oh, shucks. Great. We just copy this. Control C. What the sigma? That's what I'm thinking, Cato. Let's add particle. Particle color. Control C. And replace all the outlines with particles. For these suckers. And we save. And that should fix it. Drum roll, please. Come on. Yeah. So now, this is the ultimate system. I think this is kind of the system I want in the game. I think the only other thing that's missing is maybe alternate particle types, which I also want to have multipliers for them, but that is, I mean, this is pretty much the base game. I eventually, no shot. If this code is updated correctly, this outline is a 1 in 100 chance of generating. So that is incredibly rare. Yeah, I'm gonna run this with an auto clicker probably. After, like, I'm gonna go get a snack after stream or something. Did it generate another outline? Let's see. Hold on. Hold. 143.13. I guess, I mean, we have clicked also about 100 times since then, but see, the problem is, it's what? It's a 1 in 100 multiplied by a 1 in 100, which if you do the math, 100 times 100 is a fucking ton, which I can't do off the top of my head because I'm dumb. It's a 1 in 10,000 chance to get a particle. All right. I think I want to leave it here for the day. I think we're done. Obviously changing the particle type and shape would be really cool, but that's like tomorrow when I work on it or some other time, like this weekend. Will I work on this more on stream? Maybe. I don't know. Maybe it's my little side project, my little hobby. Rock puncher. Don't end stream. I gotta end. We've been going for 3 hours. Been getting late. I got work tomorrow. I want to, you know, take a shower, put on my pajamas, chill out, you know? Credit me, JK. All right. I can delete the old script. I think our new script is working just fine. We can save the game, which is important, and close that out. What are the random ass things I leave open that I just can close now? All this ChatGPT, April tag, I want to look at that for just VR reasons. That's cool. I'll leave it open. Yeah, I guess we can go back to the chatting screen. Nice. Should we raid someone? That'd be kind of fun. Have a great day. You too. You have a nice rest of your day. Enjoy. I think we should raid someone. I'm not sure who. Also accidentally opened up the wrong thing. Oh, yuck. It was going to start making me talk. Ooh, what cool people do we have? Oh my god, that would be awesome. Hold on. We have Notsko. We could raid her. She's doing Planet Crafter. We could just do a random Minecraft streamer, which is my favorite. Any online that's what I'm doing right now. I'm looking for some cool people. There's one guy who is just cool, and he's just playing Roblox, so I think it's funny. But I don't think I want to go to that right now. I think what I want to do is head on over to just a random Minecraft VTuber. I think that would be kind of cool. So that's the thing I like to do. That's how I find new people, you know? VTuber. I have to do the fucking Twitch search. All right, cool. If we raid someone who's cool looking, what's cooking good looking? Maybe we do. That'd be kind of fun. All right, I think I might have picked a person. Or two. I'll take a look at both of them. You're cool looking, and you're cool looking too. Oh, I kind of like you're doing modded, and wait, is this modded? It looks semi-modded, but at the same time it doesn't. That's so weird. Go to live on YouTube too. I don't know how to do a raid on YouTube. I think I'm just gonna do a Twitch raid because that's what I'm most comfortable with. There's only what, my like second or third YouTube stream back in like, I don't know how many years. You know how I said my 3-year anniversary was in 2 weeks? Well, I only streamed on YouTube for the first couple months of my streaming career, and then I went all Twitch, but I've picked a channel. I set up the raid on here. If you feel like joining the raid on Twitch, be my guest. We're going to Mishiki on Twitch. Give him a little smiley face raid. We head on over there. And you know, I'll post it in chat as well. I put it in chat. It'll go to both sides. I don't think they're on YouTube. I'm pretty sure from what I saw. But that is the stream if you want to check them out. And we'll be rating. Let me pull up the stream one more time. All right, cool. Go give them a little love. Give them a little hi, hello, hey, what's up? They're playing Minecraft. It's going to be epic. It's awesome. I'll see you guys tomorrow for... Actually, we're going to do Minecraft tomorrow. So I'll see you guys for Minecraft tomorrow. All right. Bye-bye. 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 I'm going to have a snack. I want rice. We got Chinese food. I want rice. Bye, everybody.